Hey guys, what's up? It's Alex over at Laser Everything, and we unboxed a ton of stuff on a giant live stream we did not too long ago. Now, the live stream is mostly not unboxing. It's us answering questions and me doing stuff in the background. It's a very long stream, and I know a lot of you guys don't have the time to sit and watch the whole thing, so I took all of those unboxings and broke them down into individual episodes that we have fully edited. The sound is a little wonky. We were getting interference on the wireless lav, and I didn't notice until afterwards. I did my best with it. That said, I hope that you guys can enjoy or appreciate these unboxings a little more in their edited form. The first unboxing that we're doing today is for a vibratory tumbler. It's an awesome tool, and if you plan on doing coins or anything else that's going to require metal finishing, it could be a good option for you. All right, that's that. Let's go ahead and get on with the unboxing. So this is, from my research, the best vibratory tumbler that you can buy on Amazon. I did a ton of research trying to make sure that I wasn't going to get something crappy. I'll do a bad review if I have to, but I don't want to do a bad review. I'd rather do something great that I can say, hey guys, you know, come buy this because it works really good. And I wanted a vibratory tumbler because I really want to start getting into coins. Everybody's doing coins. Everybody on Discord, Facebook, LMA. Coins are like the thing right now. And I'm not good at finishing metal. It's not really my thing. So I wanted something that would kind of help me out with that, and the vibratory tumbler is the way to go. This is a really simple thing that you can add to your shop setup. It was not very expensive. I think it was like 300 bucks. Again, probably the best one you can get on Amazon because I didn't want something that was going to be super crappy. So drain hose, if you want to use wet media, very appreciated. A lot of the units that I was looking at on Amazon did not come with drain hoses. It's just a very simple package, just plastic wrap. We had that styrofoam kind of retainer on the top. Here's your bowl. Go ahead and screw this open. One of the bowls, a lot of the bowls on the units on Amazon crack. They crack open, and this is one of the only ones where I didn't see people complaining in the reviews about cracking. You have like kind of a nice rubber seal here and a rubber seal here to, again, keep that water in if you're using wet media. It seems okay. It's very kind of like industrial. You're gonna have to manhandle it a little bit. You've got a water entrance hole here and a drain hole at the bottom, which you can't really see from either view at the moment, but they're there, which is important. So you could put in a filter system to filter and recycle water that way if you want to. And then it comes with some media as well. So some actual tumbling media. So if you guys don't, and it's got a hole in it.
Oh, yeah. No.
So if you guys don't know how these work, basically you put your parts in the bowl, either with or without water, and a media. And the media is what actually does the polishing. So this is corn cob. So this is for like a finish, like a final finish, shine, so for polishing and things like that. And then they also included some green pyramids. And this is for more kind of rough finishing. Neither of these nor the vibratory tumbler is really designed to like de-rust. You're still going to be better off de-rusting with something like a laser or some of the more traditional rust removal methods. But if you have jagged edges, if you have kind of a rough looking finish, something like a vibratory tumbler will do you a lot of favors if you add it to your arsenal. I will clean the excess media out of here later, but the walls are nice and thick, and that's what I wanted. I wanted just something good that wasn't just going to bust the second that I opened it. So we'll go ahead and pop this back on there. We don't want to forget our washer. That'll keep our top screw from coming off. It is 110. You don't need any special power for this. So if you have space for it in your shop, it's going to work. And when we do finally get to coin stuff on the channel, and we will, because it's something I personally want to do a lot, you guys are going to see this bad boy in action. But I wanted to get it and just have it so that it wasn't something that I had to worry about later. Ah, God, it shocked me. See if we can just get this off. Oh, there we go. Get rid of that. So
that's got a hell of a base on it.
Yeah, it has to, because the way these work is they're so this bowl is actually like loaded up on springs, and the whole thing kind of just shakes. So if we don't want it to, you know, shake apart or shake off the table or whatever, we need to make sure that we have a really sturdy base. And this is all steel too, which is nice. The only thing that's plastic is the bowl, And that's pretty standard, even on like industrial sized ones. I used to have one of these from a company called Giant Manufacturing back when I worked at Sonoma Laser Engraving, and they still use plastic bowls. So that's not like a low quality thing, that's just a tumbler thing. Here's the final view from the front. They've got a nice label on there. This one's from Eastwood. It takes 18 pounds. That's media plus the parts that you're going to end up putting in the tumbler, so you don't want to exceed that. And again, it's just 110, and that's it. There's not really much else going on here, guys. It's a pretty basic machine, but it's something that a lot of people don't know about. So I wanted to make sure that we took a minute to unbox it.
Thank you guys so much for watching this part of the unboxing series from the live stream that we did a few weeks ago. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope editing down that live stream made it a little easier to consume and digest. We've got a lot more unboxings coming, a little more traditional, what you're kind of used to seeing as far as regular Laser Everything videos. So we'll be getting to those very soon. If you got value out of this, don't forget to smash the like button, let everybody else know that the content is good, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified the next time we upload a video. If you love the channel and you want to support all of the work we're doing over here at Laser Everything, please consider signing up for the Laser Master Academy. It's the #1 way to support the channel, and everything we do here is thanks to the members supporting us over there. You can find out more over at masters.lasereverything.net. As always, guys, links to the free Discord and Facebook group down below, but that's all I've got for today. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.